Did you know over 60% of working adults dream of retiring before the age of 65? The FIRE movement Financial Independence Retire Early is making that dream a reality. In this video, I'll break down the FIRE method, giving you a step-by-step plan to escape the 9-to-5 and retire on your own terms. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, be sure to like and subscribe for more strategies on achieving financial independence. Let's get started. What is FIRE? FIRE stands for Financial Independence Retire Early. It's all about changing your relationship with money. Instead of working until you're 65 or older, you save a huge chunk of your income, invest it wisely, and build up enough money to live off of, even if you decide to stop working way before traditional retirement age. How does FIRE work? Think of it like a three-legged stool. Earn more. You focus on increasing your income through your job, a side hustle, or smart negotiations. Spend less. You track where your money goes and cut out unnecessary expenses. This isn't about never having fun, but spending mindfully. Invest smart. The money you save gets invested, usually in simple things like index funds. Over time, your investments grow through something called compound interest, which is basically earning interest on your interest. Example, meet Sarah. After college, she started a decent-paying job but felt trapped by bills and shopping on weekends. She discovered FIRE and changed course. It wasn't easy, but after 10 years, Sarah's investments were making enough money that she could cover her simple lifestyle. At age 35, she had the option to quit her 9-to-5, become a part-time consultant, and spend the rest of her time volunteering and traveling. Key principles of the FIRE movement. The FIRE movement is built on a few simple ideas that have a huge impact on your financial future. Let's break them down. 1. Spend less, save more. It's not about being miserable. FIRE isn't about never having fun. It's about being mindful of where your money goes and spending it on things that truly bring you value. Needs versus wants. Needs are things like food, shelter, and basic transportation. Wants are the extras that are nice to have, but you can live without. Cutting back on wants frees up money for saving and investing. Track your spending. Ever wonder where your paycheck disappears? Keeping track of your expenses for a month is an eye-opener. There are apps and simple spreadsheets that can help. The power of small changes. Simple habits add up big time. Bring your lunch to work, cancel that streaming service you barely watch, find free entertainment instead of always spending money. 2. Invest, invest, invest. Your money's secret weapon. Investing lets your money grow on its own over time. This is how you escape having to work forever. Compound interest is the magic. It's like earning interest on your interest. The longer you invest, the more powerful it becomes. Index funds. Index funds track whole sections of the market. They're a good way to get your feet wet with investing, and fees are low. Long-term thinking. The market goes up and down. Don't panic sell when things dip, ride it out and keep investing. Time is your friend. Calculating your FIRE number. Your FIRE number is the magic amount you need to save and invest in order to retire early. It sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. Step 1. Figure out your annual expenses. What does it cost to live? Think about your necessary expenses for a year: housing, food, transportation, healthcare, etc. Be realistic. Include monthly bills, insurance, and some fun money too. Don't underestimate or you'll run short later. Tool time. There are online calculators to help you total this up. Step 2. Meet the 4% rule. Your yearly allowance. The 4% rule is a guideline suggesting you can safely withdraw 4% of your investments each year in retirement without running out of money. Why 4%? It's based on years of research on how markets have performed over time. It's designed to make your nest egg last at least 30 years. Step 3. Do the math. Formula your annual expenses x 25 equal your FIRE number. Let's see it in action. Say your yearly expenses are $50,000. Your FIRE number would be $50,000 x 25 equal $1.25 million. What this means: once your investments reach $1,250,000, you could potentially retire. The 4% rule means you could withdraw 4%, $50,000 each year, which matches your annual expenses. Strategies to reach financial independence. Faster. Reaching your FIRE number can take time, but there are ways to speed things up. Here are some smart strategies. 1. Make more money. Ask for a raise. If you're doing great work, don't be afraid to ask for more pay. Research what's fair for your job and have that conversation with your boss. Upgrade your skills. Can you take classes or get certifications that would make you more valuable? This can lead to promotions or better paying jobs. Side hustles. Turn a hobby you love into extra cash. Freelance writing, dog walking, selling crafts possibilities are endless. 2. Destroy your debt. High-interest debt is a dream killer. Credit cards and student loans charge crazy interest that eats away your savings. Attack those with a vengeance. 2 methods. Debt avalanche. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first while making minimum payments on the rest. Debt snowball. Start with the smallest debt, building momentum as you pay them off. Example, say you have $500 extra a month to put toward debt. Getting rid of that debt frees up $500 to invest instead. That's a huge boost. 4. Mindset matters. When pursuing FIRE, your mindset is just as important as the actual numbers you crunch. Think of it this way. Reaching financial independence is like a long road trip. Will you make it to your dream destination if you're miserable for the whole ride? Probably not. The right mindset makes the journey sustainable and enjoyable. First, it's important to find ways to embrace the process of saving and investing. Instead of focusing solely on the sacrifices, find ways to view it as an exciting path to your goals. Learn to find true happiness in experiences and meaningful choices instead of temporary purchases. This helps you make those smart financial decisions with less struggle. Think of it like choosing camping adventures that you love and that save money for your big vacation instead of a luxurious but costly trip. 5. FIRE variations. FIRE isn't one size fits all. There are different flavors depending on your goals and lifestyle. Here's a look at a few popular ones. 1. Lean FIRE. The minimalist's path. This is for people who can live on a very tight budget and retire with a smaller nest egg. Extreme frugality. It means cutting expenses to the bone tiny house living, biking everywhere, eating simple meals. 2. Fat FIRE. Less sacrifice, more comfort. This is like the traditional idea of retirement, but earlier. You need a much higher FIRE number to support more spending. Example, if you want to travel extensively in retirement, maintain a larger home, or continue hobbies that cost money, Fat FIRE might be your goal. 3. Barista FIRE, semi-retirement. You save enough to leave your stressful full-time job and downshift to part-time work for extra income, health benefits, and staying active. Example, working at a fun coffee shop, freelancing, or starting a less demanding side business while your investments keep growing. 4. Coast FIRE, front-load your effort. This involves saving and investing aggressively early on. Once your investments reach a certain point, you can stop contributing and let the magic of compound interest do the rest. The waiting game. You still need to work, but with much less financial pressure, knowing retirement is secured down the road. Reaching FIRE takes effort, but I hope this video showed you that it's absolutely possible. No matter your income level or where you're starting, there's a path to financial freedom waiting for you. Remember the key takeaways. Spend less than you earn. Invest consistently and let the magic of compound interest work its wonders. Embrace the journey. Be willing to adapt and don't sacrifice your happiness along the way. Finally, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more strategies and motivation on your road to financial freedom.